This is Project Sneak, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Sneak is finished in full gloss Keswick green with black accents all around. Sneak sits on 18-inch Car 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a front runner roof rack, 4 Hella minibar spot lamps up front and 2 in the rear, a classic A-bar front bumper, an ECD custom black steering guard. Inside, Sneak features a Nardi Challenge steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Garrett Cadence Spice leather stitched together in Garrett amber. This 110 is powered by our LT1 V8 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. Sneak also features an array of modern touches, such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, and access to USB ports throughout.